The higher self-clean inverter AC comes with 3 amazing special features. Self-clean inverter technology. Smart Eye saves up to 65% power. Stabilizer-free inverter technology. As HSU13D6 DC inverter model. Hello everyone, welcome back to Ravi Tech Views channel. This is your first time here, subscribe channel for getting latest information fastly. Take a look on features in detail. First one is self-clean inverter technology. There is a dust accumulated at the evaporator in the operation of the air conditioner. By the control setting, it freezes the evaporator and forced to remove the dirt off the evaporator through water ice condensation. Smart Eye saves up to 65% power. Automatically adjust operation frequency and modes to save energy. Improve comfort and convenience by monitoring human locations, movements with sensors. Stabilizer-free inverter technology. Higher air conditioner with the stabilizer-free inverter technology operates with the input power voltage as low as 120 volts by the adoption of optimized compressor with maximum running torque. Technical specs. Pause video and check out. Thanks for watching.